Tickets! Thank you. Oh, there's two very important people on the train we haven't yet talked about. The guys up front. Thank you. Thank you.
The driver and the fireman have to work closely together. The fireman's job is to keep the fire stoked and the boiler fed with water at the right pressure. The driver is the man in charge. He has to operate the controls and make sure that the fireman does his job properly. They must both keep their eyes sharp for signals and potential hazards.
Bewdley Station, bang on time. Here we be passing the second train out of Kidderminster.
There are now 3 trains operating on the railway, each of them being run in exactly the same way. Things are really warming up, just like the kitchens of the restaurant car. It'll be departing Kidderminster just minutes after we arrive, serving a delicious lunch to all its hungry passengers.
Now that we're at the other end of the line, a lot needs to happen before we can head back.
The guard is moving the tail lamp to the other end of the train. If any other coaches need adding, he'll deal with this as well. The driver and the fireman are busy running the engine round to the other end of the train.
After just under an hour, the staff have got this train ready for its return journey. The whole process will be repeated twice more today. Now that's 2 round trips and 64 miles travelled. It's nearly the end of the day now. Just past the last train coming from Bridgnorth. Won't be long, we will all be cashing up.
Everyone on the train is getting ready to pack up and disembark as we return to Bridgnorth Station for the final time.
While we're making sure that all the passengers have left and the carriages are being locked, the guard is making sure that the handbrake is applied.
The day is now over for most of the volunteers. I'm still around, taking it easy, but the driver and fireman are still hard at it. They were here when the day began, and they're the last to finish. They clean the fire and carry out a brief exam. The driver will also list the mileage and any delays. Not that there were any, mind you. Oh no.
Well, I guess our little look behind the scenes of how the railway is run has come to a close. It's hard to believe how much work we get through in a day. Hundreds of volunteers all working together. Maybe one day you might like to come and join us. Do you know, since I've been retired, I've not had a moment to myself.